Greetings, y'all. When we left you last time, we were still in Kentucky. We finally have met up with the rest of our group so we can continue to explore on the Danial Boon Backcountry Byway. Michelle and I were honored to be invited by Cottywample Overland on this trip. We would be exploring some new trails on the Danial Boon Backcountry Byway on the Furnace Loop. We were really excited to see what the trails would bring and the sights that we'd see. During the 18th and early 19th century, Kentucky was the third largest producer of iron in the country. The first iron-making operation in Kentucky began in 1791 with Bourbon Iron Works before Kentucky was even a state. A mixture of iron ore, limestone, and charcoal were loaded into the top of the furnace, which was heated to extract pure iron from the ore. All of these raw materials had to be extracted locally and transported to the furnace. That's kind of cool, and yeah, you can find some rocks down there. I guess they're not rocks; they're kind of like this slag or something off from the iron ore, right? Is that what they said? Yeah, but that's pretty cool. So we have we pulled over and stopped for lunch, and I think we're going to do another hike. Is Ray tired?
Yeah.
Ray's tired.
What do you think, Ray? Hey, Pookers. Ray. Yeah, he's
laying in the middle of the road, but anyhow, we're going to hang out here for a few. Huh?
You should try the backpack.
Yeah, I'd like to get that on some film for sure. So you should try the backpack. The third furnace we visited on the loop was the historic Finchberg Furnace. It was constructed in 1868 and operated at the peak of the iron industry. It was the last charcoal iron smelting furnace built in America. Standing 81 feet tall, the furnace is considered the largest charcoal furnace in the world. Its intricate architectural design places it among the top 25 dry stone masonry structures worldwide. One of the last stops for the day was a cemetery that held some of the remains of Daniel Boon's family. It was interesting to see how the cemetery laid on the top of this hill. It was quite the hike up, but it was very enjoyable to wander around and look at all the older headstones. Well, after a full day on the trail, we made it. So we're camped here. A few of the others are camped up over here. So we're getting ready to make some dinner, and it's our night to cook. So we're gonna make lasagna soup. So it's one of our favorites at home, and we've been waiting to do that this week. So anyways, this is where we're gonna be at. So it's right up on top of the hill. It's real pretty up here. But yeah, we're gonna settle in for the evening. We'll show you what we're making for dinner. And then we'll probably enjoy a little campfire, and then off to bed, and then day 2. So we'll see you tomorrow. Soggy morning. You want a little help with that?
Yep. That's why God gave me chompers.
Okay.
Sorry, Jen. No, she would disapprove.
Yeah. As would all dental hygienists, I believe.
Sure.
So we woke up to a soggy morning, which we already knew we were going to, but that's okay. We're just having a little cereal for breakfast. Super exciting.
And coffee. I'm making coffee.
And Bill's making coffee, I think. I got my.
Over there. Look at them. Sailor, Deb, and Bill.
They're on a shrimp boat. So we're gonna.
You look like you're on a shrimp boat with your jackets. Your orange jackets. Throw your little life vest over there.
After breakfast, we tore down camp and hit the trail. Really excited for day 2. After an awesome day on the trail, we settled in. One of the guys that we were with was gracious enough to fix a little dinner for us all. We enjoyed a campfire and conversation, and then headed off to bed. So we've retreated to the tent. It's about 10 o'clock, a little after 10. So great day on the trail. Was it fun? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah,
So
pretty.
yeah, it was fun. It was really pretty. Some of the flowers and stuff are just starting to pop in the trees, and the color's starting to come back. So really pretty. Tomorrow, I think we're going to hang out here at camp for a little while and cook a big breakfast in the morning, which will be fun. We haven't had a chance to do that. We've been running the last couple of days, so we're going to do some more filming here, and then we're going to hit the trail, do a few miles on the trail, and then we have another really pretty camp spot we're going to hit tomorrow with Cattywampel Overland. So stay with us. We'll see you tomorrow.